guys and welcome back to my channel, and if you're newer, hi! So, as you may or may not already have known, my hair turned pretty green. So I'm gonna fix the problem by dyeing it blue. I'm gonna be using L'Oréal Washout Colorista hair dye in the color denim. So we're gonna see how it turns out on my half green, half blonde with slight pinkish color hair. So I moved over to the ground so that I have my mirror over here and a little bit of better lighting. So I've worked with the L'Oréal Colorista packages before. I did it in pink, burgundy, and rose gold. So I'm really curious how this is gonna turn out. And just as with the burgundy, they don't really have an example of blonde hair. So yeah, we're just gonna see how this is gonna go. We have a tube. We have instructions, which I do not need, but I'm gonna check anyway, because you never know. Sometimes different colors with different instructions. No, it's about the same. So I'm gonna start by brushing out my hair so that we don't have any knots. I'm gonna divide my hair in two parts, an upper and a bottom part. There we go. And then I'm gonna brush the bottom part again. There we go. And place my towel over my legs, because I do not want my pants to be ruined. The shirt is already ruined, so yeah. I thought I didn't have gloves, but they were laying under me. I don't know how they got there, but yeah. Denim hair. Let's go. If it turns out to be really, really ugly, at least it's a good thing that I have a ghost hunt tonight. So yeah. Oh, this is dark. I don't think I've had dark hair for years. So the last time when I did a burgundy and I started washing my hair, I saw that one side was really dark and the other side was really light. So I want to try to get it as evenly as possible and start also with dyeing the other side. It's already all over my neck. Oh my god, it's everywhere. I'm gonna grab another towel because I do not want to go to my ghost hunt as a smurf. Do not bump against the bed, do not bump against the bed. Okay, there we go. So last time I dyed my hair, I found that it really helped to also brush the paint. I got paint in my bed. Oh no. I have blue everywhere. This is not going as I wanted to, but we'll deal with it. Now that I got my other hair here too, I'm gonna get even bluer. I'm gonna try as much to not get it in my real hair, but to just blend it in there. In my real hair, everything's my real hair, but I mean my uncolored dark hair. And then the bottle was empty. No, just kidding. But what if it would be? Oh my god. Stupid towel. Stay where you are, please. Now I'm just gonna put it all on my gloves. Rub the two hands together and grab pieces of hair and just go like this. So for the ghost hunt tonight, I did my makeup, but it looks horrible. And yeah, I'm gonna try and redo it. Some pieces almost look black. So yeah, try and brush it again. So literally all you do with hair dye is just put it in there, rub it together, and make sure you cover everything, because if you don't, you're gonna have really weird spots.
I'm speaking from experience.
So I'm gonna leave a little bit in the bottle so that if I really have one or two blonde parts, that I can just make them blue. So I put my hair up in the back. I'm gonna wash my hands and the rest of my body and take off the makeup that I have on, and I'll see you guys when I'm not blue. I hope. I washed myself. I'm still blue on some spots. This color is really, really hard to get off. So I'm gonna remove all my makeup and try to get the rest of the blue with it too. So with a makeup wipe, it comes off pretty easy. I am so happy I bought new ones. So I couldn't really get a blue off, so I used my facial cleaner, so now it's blue. Yeah. But you know, we'll deal with it later. So, all that is off. I completely forgot the time I put the hair dye in my hair. Let's start washing this out. Getting blue everywhere. Okay, water purple-ish. I do not see any blonde hair so far, but good. My hands are now green. Awesome. So, I'm gonna let this dry and I'll see you guys once my makeup is all done. So, it's still drying, but oh my god. Did my makeup? Do I look scary? I don't know. Hair is drying still. So I will show you guys the finished product tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is the next day and I just want to say, oh my god, this is so bright. So I left it in a little longer than recommended. It says 15 to 20 minutes and I think it was in my hair for 25. So maybe that's why it's a little bit more vibrant. Everything is blue. Literally, everything is blue. My hands, my neck, My fur jacket was blue. Luckily we washed it right away and it came out. If I want to get it off, I have to use my nail polish remover. It does work, but it's not what I was going for. So it does work, but I was hoping I could just wash my hands and it would be gone, but it is not. So I love the L'Oréal Colorista packages, but the blue is a really aggressive and stubborn color. It's easy to use, but once you get it somewhere, it's impossible to get off because it is on my phone screen like a blue dot. And I cannot get it off. I washed it. I also tried to clean it with my nail polish remover, but I cannot get it off. So and every time I touch my hair, I feel like there comes a little bit off on my hands. So later tonight I will wash my hair once again and see how it turns out then. I just want to say that if you're gonna go for this color, be sure to cover everything around you because everything will turn blue. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching and I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to leave a blue thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make videos and vlogs. I love you and I hope to see you next time.